All right, so you are on your own to divide this, okay, but you would get 0.05, okay, so that means that the annual rate is just 5%, all right, because you just have to move it backwards to get the annual rate as a percentage. So to get the new balance, you just add $67.50 to your 450. So 450 plus 67.5. And that's how you would get the answer. Okay, for number 3, number 3 is just like the one that we did up here. So you try number 3 on your own. Number 4, this month's salesperson A made 11% of 67,530. Salesperson B made 8% of 85,740. Who made more commission this month? All right, commission is something that's being added on to what they already make. Okay, so in this case, we have salesperson A who made 67,530, and he's making 11% of that on top. So you're going to multiply by 11%. Salesperson B made 85,740 times 8%. Okay, that's going to get me the amount of more commission that they're going to get because I'm finding the commission. So I need to change both of these percents to a decimal. And you should just become, whenever you see a percent, especially in these kind of circumstances, you just want to change it to a decimal automatically. Because that might help you not multiply just by 8, but will help you multiply by 0.11 and 0.08. So I'm going to multiply 67,530 times 0.11. So you should be doing this right now and checking to see if you get the same answer. Okay, so you're just multiplying it out and then adding it together. Okay, so I have 2 decimal places, so I have to move it over 2 places. So the amount of money that he gets added on, or she gets, is $7,428.30. Not too bad. On top of the $67,000, I'll take that job. So then you do the same thing for salesperson B. But now you're multiplying by 0.08. Okay, so 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 3 is 59. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 5 is 45. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 4 is 68. Okay, so 1, 2. So salesperson B only made $6,859.20. So although salesperson B had a higher amount of money he makes a month, he doesn't make as much in commission because his interest rate is lower. Okay, so salesperson A makes more, and to find how much the salesperson makes, you just add it on to the total. All right, so that's with commission. So number 6 says Nora makes $3,000 a month. The circle graph shows how she spends her money. How much money does Nora spend on each category? Okay, so A, rent, food, and medical. So rent percent is 26%. Okay, so 26% of that, remember, move it over 2 places. Food is 30%, so 0.3, and medical is 15%. So I'm just looking at the circle graph. Okay, so to find how much you earn each month, you're just going to multiply 3,000 times 0.26, and that's going to get you your total amount that you earn. Then you would do 3,000 times 0.30, and that's going to get the total amount that you earned. Then you would multiply 3,000 times 0.15, and that's going to get the amount of money that you earned. If you do not change these percents to decimals, your answer is going to be way larger than 3,000. So you need to remember to always change your percent to a decimal before you multiply. All right, so answer A right now after multiplying and see what you get. Okay, answer B right now and see what you get. And then answer C right now. So you need to try on your own to multiply these because we've been multiplying by percents this whole entire time, so you can do it. All right, so this was all about applications of percents. If you need to re-watch the video, you can. Sorry if my dog and bird were barking. Remember to do number 3. If it says interest, I equals P times R times T. Change that percent to a decimal right away, 0.05%. And we've been doing that this whole time, but change the percent to a decimal so you do not forget. All right, y'all, have a great, great, great Friday. Hopefully you're enjoying everything. STAR is right around the corner, so you should be working really hard. Try on every problem and you're gonna do amazing. So good luck, have a great time. Bye.